Welcome guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now guys, social media. Guys, right now social media is one of the most powerful thing in your hand, on your computer, in front of your face. But I believe a lot of people are use social media the wrong way and causing a lot of problem for each and everyone. Now my viewers and subscribers, me I scroll over on TikTok and me realize there's a problem. The problem is between Prettie Don and Blamdem. My viewers and subscribers, fun is fun, joke is joke. Seriousness is seriousness. A whole heap of unalivement are going over TikTok, right across social media. People now see eye to eye with people. People are disrespect people. People are rude to people. There is a way you can talk to somebody. Have a little thing go on. But anytime it reach to where unalivement, people are get unalive. People start to tell people about them parents. And this it stop. It should have stopped. People are show up at people house. People are show up at people yard. All them kind of things. However, Prettie Don say Blamdem show up on yard with psh psh. Blamdem say him and Prettie Don plan the prank. Now guys, also this prank thing become a big menace to society, a big problem in the world. Me do not know what happened. Because me and Blamdem and Prettie Don not talking. However, Prettie Don say she make a report to the police. My people, if Prettie Don make a report to the police, that's serious business. And why would Prettie Don make a report to the police? Now turn around. Blamdem say it was a prank, the two of them planned it. So you see where the confusion there? So my people, my viewers, my subscriber, what me I say is, and me I talk to all the people over TikTok where I do nothing. See Mackerel, Mackerel use our TikTok money bill a house. Why we no can't do the same thing, man? Why we no have in a war and problems and who want to analyze who and who are set up who and who are. My viewers, listen some of them. Listen some of them clips here. And then we talk some more.
Yeah, paper, me tell this ya. Me and Prettie Don a friend. Prettie Don a my friend. Me and Prettie Don, me know where Prettie Don live. Prettie Don a my dog. Me and Prettie Don now not a lie ma tell for me. You see me paper. And me and him a pranky people. I prank me the pranky people. And me know say my link with squash them and royal dog them. And that's here my post.
You see how God work it? Yes, Blamdem to utter, but you see how God work it? Yes. Prettie Don said he's going to come to Switzerland and cut up my belly for Nicki Minaj. But you see how God work it as Prettie Don now? You see how God work it? You see how God work it? Yes, Blamdem to utter, but you see how God work it? Yes. And you never hear us say, you go analyze nobody for being the man yet. But never hear us say, I go analyze nobody for play this hard them yet. But never hear us say, I go do this for nobody yet. But you want to analyze me for Nicki Minaj and go to prison. You saw like, you want to go analyze me and then go on a prison for your celebrity people, for your rich people. Who don't deal with me, me not kill nobody for nobody. Me not like nobody for nobody. Me, come here to stay. And I stay, me go stay. But see there, a bad man come for you. And he not care, Prettie Don not care. A certain time, he not care, love. Because if he not got blood clot, learn, he not care the whole shit up down, tile it down. He not.
You see right now?
You're not chatting with me, bro. There's many things I want to do, I'm going to do it, bro.
One with all of that. Everybody where did that try cover it up. Obviously, me up on the road and look somewhere if I live right now. Me not have no right now. Me not go back and forth with nobody on social media. Everybody were involved know. The person when me did up on the phone with, all of that. Everybody where did that try cover it up. Obviously, me up on the road and look somewhere if I live right now. Me not have no time to go back and forth on social media with nobody. Everybody who were involved know what was done to me. I am not in any prank with any of you. And all of them voice note the way I play from February the 3rd. I don't care about none of them. What me want you to do, I do this to me. Go Alan. You see right now, me not go back and forth with nobody on social media. Everybody were involved know. The person when me did up on the phone with, all of that. Everybody where did that try cover it up. Obviously, me up on the road and look somewhere if I live right now. Me not have no time to go back and forth on social media with nobody. Everybody who were involved know what was done to me. I am not in any prank with any of you. And all of them voice note the way I play from February the 3rd. I don't care about none of them. What me want you to do, I do this to me. Go Allandale police station. Go and tell them that you are Ricardo, whatever the fuck you name, sir. I make we deal with this here amicably like people. Me not do no back and forth on a social media because the day when you come on my yard in a mask with gun and the other man them back at you and threaten me and tell me not to call your name on social media again or whatever you gonna do to me, none of that was a prank. I was never a part of that. I never did here one time. You and nobody did a plan that because there is no way more than plan for nobody come blood clot traumatize my life. So what you can do for me today, like on me a drive around and look somewhere for fucking live, you can go turn yourself into Allandale police station so we can deal with this the right way. Me no want to go live. Me no want to do none of that. Me no want to talk about your February 3 voice note them. Me no want to talk about none of that. Clearly them voice note there for when you ask me if you can help you with Shibada, Shalom, Shay and the whole of them. I don't want to go through all of that. What I want to go through is you going down to the station so we can deal with it. You see right now?
You're not chatting with me, bro. There's many things I want to do, I'm going to do it, bro.
My viewers and subscribers, you know see it there? Blamdem say one thing. Prettie Don say one thing. People say all kind of something. It confusing. And it need to stop, man. And when it all stop, brother, we don't need to stop the thing. We don't need to stop the problem. And what me realize is we don't put Nicki Minaj in the middle. And all I see Nicki Minaj do is I try to bring peace and love to everybody. Nicki Minaj a gift, you know. Nicki Minaj a give you money. You don't need to cut it out higher. Yeah, man. This is not a joking matter. This is not a joke. Unaliving people is no joke. Me can't say what happened. And for this one, me personally, because you have to remember this, you know. Prettie Don diss up everybody. Blamdem diss up every and anybody. The two of them is the same kind of person. The two of them, but you know, on social media, I saw it go over TikTok to make money. If you go over TikTok and have a nice page, like me have a nice food page over there, nobody like my, nobody I watch them video because it's food. And, you know, but if you go and go send people up under their mother and tell them what you're going to do with them tomorrow, you get popular because that's what TikTok is all about. That's how TikTok works. But what would I like is for know say the item cut out the stupidness. See Naya, the Naya gone. The youth don't man to go my name. Him gone. So I don't know who out there believe them body line with steel. None of our body no line with steel. And if we not go continue them things, we are going to hear say people get unalive and all we are going to do is feel bad, talk about it, cry and all them things. So me ask you, cut out the thing, man. Cut it out. Me not say who wrong from who right. All me I say is cut it out. Stop it, man. It not help nobody, but it a carry down each other. It a carry down people and it a make the country look bad too. With that said, stop it, you're saying. I'm out. Peace.